Sharpening the Mind's Edge. A comprehensive guide to tackling cognitive health. Our cognitive health, encompassing our ability to think, learn, remember, reason, and pay attention, is the very foundation of how we navigate and interact with the world. It influences our productivity, relationships, emotional well-being, and overall quality of life. Just like our physical health, our cognitive abilities are not static. They can be nurtured, challenged, and even improved throughout our lifespan. Proactively tackling cognitive health is not just about preventing decline in later years, but about optimizing our mental sharpness and resilience at every stage of life. In a world demanding constant learning, adaptation, and information processing, prioritizing cognitive health is more crucial than ever. This article delves into a comprehensive array of strategies, encompassing lifestyle modifications, mental exercises, and proactive habits, that can empower you to sharpen your mind's edge and safeguard its long-term vitality. The pillars of cognitive well-being. A holistic approach. Tackling cognitive health requires a multifaceted approach, addressing various interconnected aspects of our lives. Think of it as building a strong and resilient mental fortress, with each pillar contributing to its overall strength and stability. 1. Nourishing the brain. The power of diet. The brain, a highly energy-demanding organ, thrives on a consistent supply of essential nutrients. A brain-boosting diet is a cornerstone of cognitive health. 3. Embrace the Mediterranean diet. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, olive oil, and fatty fish, this diet provides antioxidants, healthy fats, omega-3s, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support brain function and protect against cognitive decline. 4. Prioritize omega-3 fatty acids. Found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as flax seeds and walnuts, omega-3s are crucial for brain cell structure and communication. 5. Load up on antioxidants. Berries, dark leafy greens, and other colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to brain aging. Limit processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These can contribute to inflammation, insulin resistance, and other metabolic issues that negatively impact brain health. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can impair cognitive function, affecting attention, memory, and mood. 6. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Consider brain-boosting foods. Incorporate foods like turmeric, green tea, dark chocolate, in moderation, and coffee, in moderation, that have shown potential cognitive benefits. 2. Fueling the mind. The importance of physical activity. The benefits of exercise extend far beyond physical fitness. They have a profound impact on cognitive health. 7. Improved blood flow to the brain. Physical activity increases blood circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the brain, which is essential for optimal function. 8. Stimulation of neurotrophic factors. Exercise promotes the release of growth factors like brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports the growth, survival, and plasticity of brain cells. 9. Reduced inflammation. Regular physical activity helps to reduce chronic inflammation throughout the body, including the brain, which is linked to cognitive decline. 10. Improved mood and reduced stress. Exercise is a powerful mood booster and stress reliever, both of which can negatively impact cognitive function if left unmanaged. 11. Enhanced memory and executive functions. Studies have shown that regular exercise can improve memory, attention, and executive functions like planning and decision-making. 12. Aim for a combination of aerobic exercise, like brisk walking, running, or swimming, and strength training for comprehensive cognitive benefits. 13. 3. Sharpening the skills. Engaging in mental exercise. Just like our muscles, our brains benefit from regular workouts. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities helps to build cognitive reserve and maintain neural connections. 14. Embrace lifelong learning. Continuously learn new skills, whether it's a new language, a musical instrument, coding, or a craft. Novel experiences challenge the brain and promote neuroplasticity. 15. Engage in puzzles and games. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku, logic puzzles, chess, and brain training apps can sharpen reasoning, problem solving, and memory skills. 16. Read widely and often. Reading exposes you to new ideas, expands your vocabulary, and enhances comprehension and critical thinking. 17. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices improve focus, attention, and emotional regulation, all of which are crucial for cognitive well-being. 18. Engage in creative pursuits. Activities like writing, painting, playing music, or crafting can stimulate different areas of the brain and enhance cognitive flexibility. 19. Social engagement. Meaningful social interactions provide mental stimulation, combat loneliness, which is linked to cognitive decline, and offer opportunities for learning and sharing. 20. 4. Prioritizing rest and recovery. The power of sleep. Sleep is not just downtime for the body, it's a crucial period for the brain to consolidate memories, clear out toxins, and repair itself. 21. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Consistent sleep deprivation can impair attention, concentration, memory, and decision-making. 22. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. 23. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down before bed with activities like 24 reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Address sleep disorders. If you suspect you have a sleep disorder like insomnia or sleep apnea, seek professional help as these can significantly impact cognitive health. 5. Managing stress. Protecting the brain from overload. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on cognitive function, impairing memory, attention, and executive functions. 25. Effective stress management is vital for cognitive well-being. Identify your stressors. Understand what triggers stress in your life and develop strategies to manage or minimize them. Practice relaxation techniques. Techniques like deep breathing exercises, yoga, and progressive muscle relaxation can help calm the nervous system. 26. Engage in enjoyable activities. Make time for hobbies and activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Build strong social connections. Lean on your support network during stressful times. Seek professional help if needed. If stress feels overwhelming, don't hesitate to reach out to a therapist or counselor. 6. Proactive habits for long-term cognitive health. Beyond these core pillars, incorporating certain proactive habits can further safeguard your cognitive health. Manage chronic health conditions. Effectively managing conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease is crucial, as these can increase the risk of cognitive decline. 27. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These habits have been linked to increased risk of cognitive impairment. 28. Protect your head from injury. Wear appropriate safety gear during activities that carry a risk of head injury. Regular cognitive assessments. As you age, consider periodic cognitive assessments to monitor your brain health and detect any potential issues early. Stay curious and open to new experiences. A curious and engaged mind is a healthy mind. Point 29. Embrace novelty and seek out new learning opportunities. Tackling cognitive health across the lifespan. The strategies for tackling cognitive health are relevant at every stage of life, though the emphasis may shift. Childhood and adolescence. Focus on establishing healthy habits, promoting learning and exploration, and managing stress related to school and social development. Adulthood. Prioritize maintaining healthy lifestyle habits, engaging in continuous learning, and managing work-related stress. Older adulthood. Emphasize staying physically and mentally active, maintaining social connections, managing chronic conditions, and seeking regular cognitive assessments. The power of proactive engagement. Tackling cognitive health is not a passive endeavor. It requires conscious effort and a commitment to making brain-healthy choices. By adopting a holistic approach that encompasses diet, exercise, mental stimulation, sleep, stress management, and proactive habits, you can empower yourself to maintain a sharp, resilient, and vibrant mind throughout your life. Just as we invest in our physical well-being, investing in our cognitive health is an investment in our overall quality of life, enabling us to navigate the complexities of the world with clarity, joy, and purpose. Start today, with small, sustainable changes, and reap the profound rewards of a mind that thrives.